Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we will learn how to analyze simple regression analysis under a big heading called predictive analysis. In terms of predictive, we're talking about historical data. We're talking about time series data. You can use this data set to predict for the future. And before we start the analysis proper, let's see this simple model, which is called a simple regression model. Of course, it's also a mathematical model. We have y equals to a plus bx. In this sense, y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. And of course, we have a, b, which are the parameters. Ya is the intercept, b is the slope of x. We need to have this knowledge because once the analysis is conducted, we still have to substitute the value back into this to have our prediction. So let's go back to our SPSS. Now we have a data set here on last year's sales and the years of experience of the salespersons and their level of education. So we have 110 salespersons there, and we have their last year's sales, and as at last year, their level of the years of experience, and of course, the level of education. And we have another data set, which is the year of experience for the current year. By then, it would have increased by 1. So 2.0 last year will be 3.0 this year. So let's do the analysis. Regression analysis, simple regression analysis. So you just click on the analyze icon. You go to regression. You go to linear because the index of our independent variable is equals to 1. So we have linear. So our dependent variable is last year's sales. Our independent variable is the years of experience. So we have two variables there, one dependent, one independent, and just click OK. Now on the output window, you have the result there. We have the model summary, we have ANOVA results, we have, of course, the regression result, which is the last one here. And let me quickly explain the parameters that we've estimated. We have the coefficients, we have the constants, and the slope under coefficients, and of course their corresponding standard error. We have the t-statistics, the test statistics, and we have the significance level. Under the coefficients, they are positive, and both the constants and the slope, they are positive, meaning that there is a positive relationship between years of experience and the volume of sales. That is, the higher the level of experience or the years of experience, the higher the volume of sales. And of course, the standard error, of course, is given. This can also be used to analyze the significance of the estimates. We can just have a kind of division of the coefficients, that is division of the coefficients by 2. The decision rule is that half of the coefficient should be greater than the standard error for it to be significant. So we have the significant level. For example, let's say the constant, half of the constant is 220 point something. That is less than the standard error, and of course, as confirmed by the significant level, is not significant. But let's see the slope. The coefficient is 54.658. The half of this is greater than 56, and that's why we have it in the significance level here. It is statistically significant. So from this, we can predict the next value of sales. And of course, SPSS is very sufficient to predict this. What we need in our prediction is the value of the constant, the value of the years of experience. That is, in our model, we have A and B, meaning this is our constant and this is our coefficient. In other words, we have something like Y, which our last year says equals to 440.987 plus 1954.658 x. So in this sense, this is our last year sale, which is our dependent variable, and of course this is our independent variable, which is the years of experience. So with this, we can proceed to predict. Now let's turn back to our SPSS. Now SPSS, to predict, we choose transform, you compute variable, repeat the formula, that's 440.987 plus 1954.987. Sorry, 658. We multiply this by the years of experience because that is the variable. But based on reality that before the end of the new year, the years of experience of the marketers would have increased by 1. So it's advisable we multiply with the years of experience, the new year of experience, for it to have a better prediction. Then the target variable, the name of the new variable that I want to predict, let's call it the new sales. So after you've done this, confirm if you've given the appropriate sign. We have multiplication here, we have addition here. So you click OK. Now to see that, you have to scroll to your data editor window to see the new prediction, which is this. That's new sales. So by this prediction using simple regression analysis, we'll be able to know that Hercules should have a contribution of $6,304, and of course others, for example, Beverly should have $4,350.3. So this is how to conduct predictive analysis using SPSS under simple regression analysis. Our next video will be talking about how can you predict using the multiple regression analysis. See you then.